Hey Eagles! Some of you may have heard of the Crumbl Cookies on social media, but you might not have had time to go out and get some for yourself. So today, Sadie and I are going to show you how to make the Twix Crumbl Cookies from scratch. Let's go check it out.
We will be using this recipe from Dinner at the Zoo. Before beginning, preheat your oven to 350.
Lay parchment paper on your pan.
Your first ingredient is 1.5 cups of softened butter, and you're going to beat that on high until it's light and fluffy.
Now add 1 cup of powdered sugar and beat until well combined.
Now you're going to need vanilla extract, flour, and salt. First, add 3 cups of leveled flour into your bowl. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Lastly, add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We added the other half off screen.
Once your dough is well combined, put it in a ball and put it on some plastic wrap so you can wrap it up and put it in the freezer.
Keep it in the freezer for 20 minutes, and while waiting, flour your surface.
Once it is done in the freezer, take it out and put it on your floured surface, then roll it out with a rolling pin.
Next, Kiera and I cut out some fun shapes. We did butterflies, flowers, and circles.
Put the cookies on the lined sheet and put them in the oven for 13 minutes.
Next, melt some caramel and chocolate, or you can make caramel from scratch, which is what Kiera and I had to do.
The cookies with the caramel, then the chocolate.